Military dances have been part of tap history for quite some time. The foundation of them revolves around different types of marches. And the fundamental step is a military step where you execute a shuffle on one foot and then you have 3 flaps afterwards. So it would go shuffle, hop, flap, flap, flap. That's our segue into the military time steps, which is what I've demonstrated for today. You can do these as singles, doubles, or triples. Triples are seldom used, unless of course you've been in any of the shows that we've performed, and I've definitely thrown a handful of them in, but they are much more challenging. In order to increase from your singles to your doubles and your triples, you add a whole bunch of flaps and then a whole bunch of shuffles for your triples. As with everything else, we start learning these rather slow, and I actually take out the hop when my dancers are first learning these, so that way we can clean up just the marching and those accent points. Once I see my dancers have that, then we add in the hop and we learn all about the flaps and the shuffles. I will see you tomorrow as we talk further about those singles, doubles, and triples. I will see you then.